Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. I was meant to do a video on this ages ago, or make a video from the start of it, but I haven't done it, so I'll just show you guys what it is. It's the Kx250F Rebuild. So far what we've done, obviously we've done the top to bottom end, so basically the whole engine is brand new, even some of the bolts are as well. Cleaned up the frame, polished it as well, as you can tell from the shrouds. Cleaned up the radiator, doesn't look as clean, don't mind that dirty spot, nobody cares about it anyway. And polished up the swing arm and cleaned it up as well. So yeah, it's really good. The other thing that we've done, that we're going to do actually, is do the front and rear shockies as well. So basically we're just going to give it a service. It's about, the oil inside is about 150 hours, so that's probably about, that's a long time, obviously. We've added something new on the bike as well. It's a Kx250F genuine stand. It's not really an upgrade obviously, but it is in a way, if you know what I mean. We've also cleaned up the exhaust system as well. This is the shiniest part where you can see. Here's not shiny, but it's clean, and that's the main thing that we're looking at. I'll just show you guys the other side of this one as well. Yes, doesn't look bad, it's pretty good. In the future we'll make a Kawasaki Kx250F calibration kit test as well. So basically what it does, it dulls your bike down, so it can be the 450 over there obviously, or my 250, or just, you know, one of the Kawasaki's anyway. I'm not sure about the other models, probably not the 2-strokes so much, but it's mostly the 250 and 450 over here. And so you can either dull it down, have it more, make it more power. I don't know about the starting part, I think it can make it faster, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll just see how it goes when we get it. Finally, the rebuild. The rebuild, don't worry. Why? Good. That's right. Good enough. I don't know what that was, but it doesn't matter. Where's a good enough place? Now put it here. Alright, so now we've finally put it all together, so this is the moment of truth. Go. It's getting there. Let's go! Yes! Alright, we're back at it again. This time we're doing the front suspension. Before it had transmission. Don't say that, mate.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
this is day 3. We're just going to finish the bike off with steering bearings and also the rear shocky. We also got the Kawasaki calibration kit from Sun City, so I'd like to thank them. Without them, I don't think I'll be able to get that, obviously. So yeah, it'll be pretty good. In the future as well, I'd like to make a, Dad's just grinding away. I'd like to do a video about the calibration kit and give you guys a review about it and see if you want to buy it or not for some of you Kawasaki riders. Like, it's a bit of a new thing. It's been around for 3 to 4 years, but nobody's really heard of it, but until we found out, so we're going to use it, see how it goes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like later. Alright, we finally put the rear shocky in. It's sitting in there nice and tight, so all we have to do is put on the rest of the parts and we finish the bike.